Welcome to Online Marketing 101 with Matt. Today we're going to watch a demo of another powerful product that you can use to improve your online business. At the end of the video, please feel free and click on the link below to order the product, of course, and also get access to my bonuses, which you will like. So let's watch the video of the demo, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
With PhotoVibrance, you can transform any photo into a mesmerizing moving image in just a few clicks. Simply drop your image into Vibrance and choose the effect you want to create. Then select your preferred resolution. Inside the editor is where the magic happens. Click around the parts of your image you want to remain still, then choose the motion arrows to add movement to areas in your image you want to bring to life. It's really that simple. You can also add text, images, as well as special effects and sky replacements to make your images really grab attention. In our advanced editor, you can also create incredible 3D parallax animations. Control the path and rotation of the camera, adjust the easing of your animations, and even add real 3D particles to your images. Once you're ready, choose your file format and hit publish. That's it. Get started transforming your images into breathtaking motion pictures with PhotoVibrance.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Before you go, please don't forget to click on the link below to download the product as well as access your bonuses. And one last thing, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to get more information about tips and tools that can be used to increase your online business. Well, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.